In this video, I will show you how to install Jupyter Lab for your exercises. First, you have to download 3 files from this exercise session. First, requirements.txt file, exercise1.ipython notebook, and thermal system calculation.py file. They should be in one folder. So I put it in the folder called exercise. The location is not important. You just have to know where it is. So I will move to my folder in the terminal. You can do this on Windows PC with a command prompt. I can check if my Python is installed correctly by checking the version. Now my Python version says it's 2.7, which is too outdated. So I might try out Python 3 command to check if there is a Python 3 or above installed, and I see that I have a 3.8 version. So this is good. I can use it. I'll first install the virtual environment package to create a virtual environment for this directories only. So you use pip3 or pip install virtual environment. And since I have already installed virtual environment, this will just skip. And then I have to create a virtual environment for this directory. I do this by typing python 3 -m virtual end and type the folder that I like to put all the files for virtual environment. Now you see that the venv folder is created. Now we have to activate the virtual environment. So we can do that by typing source. This is only valid for the Mac user or Linux. You have to use a different command for Windows PC, which is written in this guidance PDF file. Source venv folder, and there's a bin folder underneath, and there's a activate file. So we just have to run it. Then the virtual environment is activated. You see the venv in parentheses. This means virtual environment is activated. Now I have to install all the packages needed for do all the calculation in the exercises. So now you can use pip, not pip3, because the pip is now the package manager in this virtual environment. And install -r requirements. So you don't have to specify each package, but just if you put this command, then it will install all the packages required. This will take a while. Installing packages. Okay, all the installation is finished. It's recommended to kill your terminal and start it again to make sure every environment is set up properly. So now I have to move to the folder again and activate virtual environment. And then start Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab. Perfect. And now you are in Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab. You see that here, all the files in this directory. Now we can open the exercise file, and you can start your exercise